This one is a rooftop unit, 2-story. They have 2 units. Top unit doesn't work, hasn't worked in years. They do not want anything looked at on the top one. They don't want it fixed. Okay, so we're just gonna do the downstairs one. It is a tile roof, which I'm always sketchy about walking on tile, but fuck it, let's go. All right. It's the roof. Gotta get up there. I'm always afraid I'm gonna crack one of these fucking things. But with all the weight I've lost, I don't think it's that big of an issue. Okay, so this is the one we're gonna work on. There's another one up there, but they don't want that one fixed. They said they don't even use it, or the upstairs. Well, this is interesting. That's cool. I don't think they've used their pool in a while either. All right. Good old carrier unit. Alright, let's start with the control panel first. Oh, that's dirty. Looks like the board's starting to burn out right here. Got another one right there. Contactor's not too bad. Alright, there's a coil. Now the last part of the inspection is just checking this heat exchanger. Best way to do it on carriers is just take off these 3 screws right here. And it's enough to bend this panel back just enough to get your phone in there. Once you have that off, you can bend it back just enough like this to get the rookie in there. And you're the rookie. Starting to rust up there. This looks decent.